Baby Nail File, 3-pack, Emery Board Glass, Crystal, by Angel Love is one of the best sellers among baby nail care products. Highest quality, Angel Love Baby Nail Files was made from genuine Czech float glass of the finest quality that, unlike traditional nail files, are extremely long-lasting and not easy to break. No need to replace frequently like other nail files. Safe, Angel Love nail files are the easiest and safest way to keep your baby's nails trimmed. Don't risk cutting your baby with sharp nail clippers and nail scissors. These files are finest, safe to touch, delicate, smooth and rounded. No sharp or pointy edges. Stress-free, the manufacturer's design with baby's delicate nails in mind. It won't split baby's delicate nails. Features a soft grit, similar to that of a cat's tongue. Nail file is a perfect size for the small fingers and toes of babies, toddlers and kids. Say goodbye to your baby's accidental injury. Especially suitable for your baby, the manufacturer's nail files are designed and crafted specifically for newborns, infants, babies, toddlers and kids. Great baby shower and baby gift. Best hygiene, non-porous, non-germ absorbing and easily to be cleaned.